What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Buick LaCrosse remote key fob. This Buick LaCrosse key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. So the first thing we want to do in order to change the battery is to remove the emergency key from the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on. Hold that release down and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we're holding the key fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that this emergency key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is put the end of the key in that notch and then I'm going to pry up like this, and it's going to pry up on this back cover. So stick the end of the key in there like that and then pry up. And then we can pull the two halves of the shell apart. And in the back half of the remote shell, we see our battery right here. And it's in this little plastic holder. If you grab your key, you can kind of use the edge of it to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. Go ahead and snap that into place. And then we can put the two halves of the shell back together. And what I like to do is if you look at this silver piece on the bottom, that release, that's kind of what you can line up in this hole. So kind of line that bottom up first like that. And then go ahead and snap it all the way together. Slide the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.